Students, the next we are going to revise, answer the following questions. The first question, what are the data types in table structure? What are the data types in table structure? Table structureல என்னென்ன data types available இருக்கு அப்படின்னு பார்க்குறோம். The first one text, second one numeric, third one logic, next memo and date and time, the finally currency. Text only for typing text, numbers only type for the numbers, the logical only used for true or false, the memo the long text informations, a date and time and a date option. The currency means before the currency value we can enter the values. Okay, second question, write down the steps to create a table using design view. Using design view, how to create a table, we have to write the steps. Okay, the first step, click on the create tab on the ribbon. In the ribbon, we have to click the create table option. Second one, click on the table design from the table group. The new table design view is opened to create a table structure. Step 3, type the name of the field in the field name column and press the tab key to move to the data type. Step 4, an arrow is seen for the drop down list in the data type column. Click on the arrow and choose a data type from the list that appears. Fifth step, press the tab key to move to the type and descriptions in the descriptions column. It is optional to type a description. For description we no need to type, okay, for the reference purpose only we have to type that one. Okay, next, click on the save button on the quick access toolbar after adding field and save the tables. And step 7, type the name and click OK button. Type the name and click OK button. So this question is over. Third question, write 3 advantages of maintaining a database. 3 advantages only we need, but we given 6. Okay, so how many you can remember, you can do. The first one, reduction of the data redundancy. It is reducing the duplicate functions. Next one, easy retrieval of data. Easy retrieval of data. We can take the information from the given table. Okay, it is very easy. Next one, easy sharing of data. Easy sharing of data. We can share the data to the one table to the another one table. Okay, next one, reduction of data inconsistency. Okay, reduction of data inconsistency. Fifth one, security of data. Storing the information's security. Okay, next one, easy manipulations of data, accessing the data level. Okay, so these are the advantages of maintaining a database. The next question, what is primary key? What is primary key? A primary key is used to relate a table. A primary key is used to relate a table to another key in other table. A table should consist of minimum one field that has a unique value for each records. Okay, that means what? Primary key means we can set the one set of advantages. Okay, one set of advantages. What are the advantages mean? We can sort out the information from the table. It is a easy manner. So how to set the easy manner means which column value is unique value, for that the column we can set the primary key. Okay, that is called as a primary key. The next one, write 4 views used for working with the table in MS Access. The first one, data sheet view, pivot table view, and pivot chart view, and design view. Data sheet view, pivot table view, pivot chart view, design view. So these are the 4 types of views available. Okay, next one, write about RDBMS. A relational database is a set of tables containing a data fitted. Okay,